at how far the light shines in a great distance. I'd like to give you an idea in the evening hours, lighting up the area, how well lit it lights up. This is a high bay LED shop light, UFO, 22,500 lumens, 5,000 Kelvin with 10-step dimmable. For warehouses, garages, and more, it's 110 with a leash to hang up and hook around bars, and a hook that you're going to place on and lock into place. All aluminum alloy, made of metal. Be careful when touching, it will be hot. And a screw lock-in for the hook. Once placed down and on, simply screw to lock into place and adjust on the bar by loosening up and tightening down. Hooking up to a dimmer switch, you have 2 leads that will hook up optional and dim the light down automatically. On the front of the plastic shield are SMD 3030 LEDs. In our demonstration, we're going to unscrew the bolt on top. As you can see, we're unscrewing. We have a bar up here that we're going to simply slide over, and we're going to lock into place. For added safety, we have a leash that wraps around and locks into place. And the other end gets plugged into 110. And then this end, if you have a dimmer switch, this plugs in too as an option to dim down. Wall switches, circuit breakers, remote controls. We could turn our light on. We could come here and dim it down in increments. We could increase it 50%, 25%, all the way up to 100%. It's a bay light that generates light. 22,500 lumens. As the garage light is off, it is very bright. With the cooling fans on top, it is cool to the touch. With the heat generation around 100 degrees, that is warm to the touch. Multiple lights can be chained and hooked up for warehouse uses and more. Workshops, garages, basements, attics, where you need to have light and do work.